Do you know you can make the sounds of your YouTube videos way better in a single click? I will show you 2 methods to do that using the clip on the screen. I feel the second method works better, but you should check which one works for you. This is the raw non-edited recording. Let's listen to it a bit.
Hi, this is a test recording to check how different software can make the audio inside a video better, especially if you are thinking of making the sound of your YouTube videos better. Then this clip will help you to understand actually how much better I could make the sound.
The volume level of the audio is not optimal, and it also has some background noises. I will make it better easily without any complex process. I will export only audio from this clip. I use Camtasia, but audio-only export is available in any video editing software. I am exporting it as a WAV file and will use it to improve. This is the WAV file, and I will go to podcast.adobe.com. It is in beta and 100% free till now. Go to Quick Tools and select Enhance Speech. Adobe will improve your uploaded audio by using AI technology. Drag and drop the audio file you want to improve. It will take some time to enhance the audio and patiently wait for the process to end. The processing is complete, and you can listen to the enhanced audio from here. You can toggle on and off between uploaded and enhances audio to understand the difference.
Hi, this is a test recording to check how different software can make the audio inside a video better.
It is quite improved, and I will download it. After downloading, I will take the audio file to my video editor and align it with the video clip.
Hi, this is a test recording to
So this is the original audio. I will silence the audio in the original clip. I will enable the enhanced audio from Adobe Podcast. If I play the clip now, you will see how much it has improved.
Hi, this is a test recording to check how different software can make the audio inside a video better, especially if you are thinking of making the sound of your YouTube videos better. Then this clip will help you to understand actually how much better I could make the sound.
So you see, it has improved a lot than the original audio. Let me show you the second method, which I feel works better with noisy audio. I will use Descript for audio enhancement. Though Descript is not free like Adobe Podcast, it has a limit in the free plan. The free plan is good enough for testing and even for simple usage. I will apply studio sound to the audio clip. Remember, this is the original recording, and I am using studio sound to the original audio. Like Adobe Podcast, it also takes some time to apply the effect. Studio sound effect is applied, and I will download the improved audio file. I will export the audio from the Publish button. Descript allows lossless export through the WAV file. Like before, I will take the audio file to Camtasia and align it with the video clip. I will play the video with Descript improved audio.
Hi, this is a test recording to check how different software can make the audio inside a video better, especially if you are thinking of making the sound of your YouTube videos better. Then this clip will help you to understand actually how much better I could make the sound.
It has improved the audio significantly. So which enhancement you liked most, the first one or the second? I have shown it quickly to give you an idea. If you like to have a detailed video on this topic, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next.